We are looking at how to pronounce the name of this eau de parfum by Chanel, known as Chance. How do you say it? For reference, in French, in France, it is said as chance, chance, being French for chance, and then eau, eau, meaning water, and then tendre, meaning tender. So, tender water, understand, soft water. Chance Eau Tendre is how we would say it in France, but it'd be fine to say it in English as chance, if you can. You could say just chance. Eau Tendre, chance, chance Eau Tendre, chance Eau Tendre. I know it's a little bit tricky. In French again, Chance Eau Tendre, Eau de Parfum by Chanel. And now you know it all. Did you get this? Was this any helpful? Let me know in the comments and by using the like button. Thank you kindly for your support. More videos on how to pronounce more interesting names from fashion and luxury. I'll see you there to learn more. Thanks for watching.